Hey John, this is Brandon. Just sending over that short, quick video that I promised you. It's going to show you three things you can do to increase your online presence. A couple of tips and tricks here. You're probably wondering why I do this, and the reality is I know you guys, small business owners, a lot of hands-on with your jobs. So a lot of times you don't have time to worry about this or work with it, put any time and effort into it. So I send over these videos in hopes that you guys can get something out of it. If you got the time to take to apply some of these things, that's great. But if not, and you find out that hey, that Brandon guy might know what he's talking about, then you can reach back out to me, and hopefully, I can help you out. So, um, real quick here, the three things we want to take a look at as we got your website up here. The first one's going to be content and keywords. Google looks at your content and your keywords um, relevancy and gives you a score. They're looking for roughly about 1,500 words on your page here. As you can see, you're well short of that. And inside that content, you're looking for keywords. So when people look for automotive repair in Green Bay, that's typically what they type into Google, right? Repair shops, Green Bay, auto repair, Green Bay, um, repair shop near me, things like that. So they type in, words that Google's going to recognize and gather information, and based on the most relevant keywords they're typing in, your business is going to pop up. So biggest thing I would say is get some more content on here, put some keywords in there, and that's certainly going to help you out quite a bit. Um, the second thing we look at is citations. And citations, if we take a peek at this, if I type in auto repair Green Bay up here, you'll see that this map pack shows up and about four businesses pop in here. Usually it's three, but they got an ad in here for race transmission. Um, so these three businesses, they have a lot of citations with their keywords. It all kind of goes together with the three things I'm going to tell you. So their content, their keywords, their citations brings them relevance and then puts them on this map pack. Um, so citations, I use a program. It's about 60 bucks a month called White Spark. And you can go in here and see where you're at with citations. So I pulled you up against Auto Clinic of Green Bay. So if we go back there, you'll see Auto Clinic of Green Bay down here on the map pack. This Auto Select has the rest of them, but they're statewide, obviously. So Auto Clinic of Green Bay, um, if we go back and look at their citations compared to yours, they only have one more than you. So you're sitting nice with citations. So doesn't hurt to blow the competition out of the way. It's pretty easy to get citations. Anywhere on Google that your business is listed with your exact name, telephone, email, website address, so Angie's List, Yelp, uh, anything on the web, your Facebook, any Instagram, LinkedIn's, that's all going to get you citations. So go ahead and get some of those up there. That should move you up quite nicely. And then the last thing I look at, um, John, is a tool called Ahrefs. In here, it's going to show you all the backlinks and referring domains, and that's the third thing we talk about is backlinks and referring domains. This is going to show you um, the backlinks, to break it down for you. Is anytime a different website has a link that links back to you, or anytime that you have a link that links to a different website, those are backlinks. Um, you're going to want some of those. Um, we're looking at this. And you got 181 backlinks, 21 referring domains, and then this is kind of your power, the powers that be with Google. It's a 100-point system. You want these numbers to be relatively close to each other. Um, you got a pretty big variance here, so that's telling me that your 181 backlinks are probably real spammy, that the backlinks that you do have out there ain't linked to anything relevant in your industry. So, you don't want backlinks from Taco Bell and McDonald's and things like that, nothing to do with auto repair. You're going to want something relevant in your industry to be backlinking back to your page, and you can clean those up. You can actually go in here and see what you're backlinking to, things like that. So a nice tool there. If we look at your competition um, on this auto repair, that auto select, you can see that they're relatively close, separated by 10. You got over 15,000 backlinks, 743 referring domains. But the biggest thing here is they're bringing in a lot of traffic, and I understand that this is a statewide um, thing for them, so they bring in a lot of traffic due to their locations. But you look at your traffic, you're bringing in 63 organic searches a month. So we get some more backlinks, some more referring domains. We move you up. You're only on the second page of Google, so it wouldn't take a whole heck of a lot to get you to that first page. And you can see where the amount of clicks, go is to the first page. So that's a lot of business that you're potentially missing out on. So hopefully these three tips, helped a little bit for you. Hopefully you can implement some of this stuff and find yourself on the first page, and then hopefully up on that map pack section by doing some of this stuff. I'm going to shoot this over in an email. I would appreciate any feedback, good, bad, otherwise. Um, anything to let me know how this was, if it was informational, if it was a waste of your time. Um, anything would be great. So hopefully you have a good rest of the day, and we'll look forward to talking with you in the future. Take care.